What's up, everybody? This is Eric the Tech Preacher from AskEazyComputerSolutions. So I've been using the LG V60 with the dual case, and I'm gonna tell you, I've been loving it so far. And I want to give you guys my thoughts about the dual case. I'm sitting up here typing, right? I'm typing a whole voiceover, a future video that I'm making. And I decided to talk about this because I think the dual case is so practical. Now, I'm sitting up here with Word open and I'm actually typing, and it's a very fast and fluid experience. And I've been kind of doing this for a while. And a lot of people that doesn't have the dual case, and a lot of people ask the questions, does the dual case make sense? And I'm sitting up here typing on it, and I'm like, wow, it does make plenty of sense. So I'm typing an entire document on the LG V60 dual case. So I'm giving you my thoughts about having the dual case on the LG V60. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So the LG V60 bought a unique feature at a very good price point. It bought the dual display, and the dual display brings so much functionality that, I mean, come on, Samsung. I got the Galaxy Note, right? And the Galaxy Note also is a very good phone. It brings in a lot of functionality, right, with the S Pen and S Pen software and everything in between. But one thing that is missing is like a dual display. I mean, I wish Samsung would do something like this to make the Galaxy Note complete, because right now, man, I'm so much feeling all the functionality of the LG V60. I mean, look, here's the thing. It is a very practical case here that you could do a whole lot with. Not only that, but with the pen functionality that the LG V60 has, it brings something special, something unique. So as I'm typing this, and the keys are spread it out pretty good, I'm having a very good typing experience. It's fast and fluid, long battery life, and I've been enjoying the LG V60 with the dual case. Now, you could get the LG V60 without the dual case, but it brings so much functionality having the dual case. Now, some of the drawbacks of having the dual case, right, is it's thick and it's bulky. But what it brings in turn is a whole lot of functionality. So as you can see right here, right, I'm using the LG V60 mostly like a mini PC, and it's getting the job done. And it's so weird that when I'm doing the Word document and the keyboard popping up, and you can see that the keyboard is plenty big, and when you type on it, it brings in a very good experience. And I type really fast, so it's bringing in a very good experience right now as I'm doing a lot of typing on my device. Now, a lot of y'all guys say, you know what, Easy? I don't do that much typing. I don't, I'm not in college, and I don't do Word documents and PowerPoint presentations and stuff like that. But what it does bring to the table is a gaming experience. So let me fire up a game. And I already done a gaming review of this device, but I'm gonna fire up a game and I'm gonna show you some practicality of how this could be a gamer's paradise, because I've been using it for business. Now I'm using it for gaming, and it brings in a whole lot of package right here. So let me fire up a game, and let's go on and play with the LG V60 with the dual display. Let's go. All right, guys, so I got a game fired up here. And I got kind of used to the virtual buttons on the LG V60 with the dual display. I got it flat right now, but you can have it up like this. You can have any angle you want, which is really dope, right? So I'm for this video, I'm just kind of lay it flat so y'all guys can see this. And I'm gonna go ahead on and play the game. And there we go. So I got dead trigger, and I'm gonna tell you the graphics is absolutely amazing. And look, here's the thing. It's so weird about this is that the latency is so good on here. And I'm gonna tell you, I don't know how LG did it in the LG V60. Look, the LG G8X with the dual display, the LG V50, the same thing. And if you want to play some games, you could play some definitely games. And this is the best way to do it, right? And look, here's the thing. I know they got gaming phones out there with 144 hertz display, 90 hertz display, and stuff like that. But this is the ideal gaming experience, right? You got the dual display already with your LG V60. And look, even though This is a 60 hertz display. The refresh is really good. I don't see any differences, and a lot of people think you're gonna see a lot of differences and stuff like that. I don't know. I mean, I'm looking at it and it's working very well for me. I'm just gonna do this here. Let me get out of here. All right, let's get, I don't want to die yet. Hold on a second. Let's get out of here. Let's get, yeah, so, I mean, it's been working very well. I like this. I like the virtual buttons now. You got to get used to it. Look, here's the thing. It's one of those things that you just have to play around with it for a long period of time. Not a long period of time, but a period of time to kind of get used to it. But when you do get used to it, the gaming experience is so good on the LG V60. Look, here's the thing. It's so funny when we talk about this. Look, this is supposed to be the win all be all. This is like my favorite phone, right? And I always talk about Galaxy Notes because the Galaxy Note has been my go-to device for a lot of things. But God, man, look, with the dual display, the camera, the quad decks, the headphone jack, the display, and everything in between, well, it makes the V60 a device that you definitely got to look into when, you know, if you want to choose between the Galaxy Note and the LG V60. Because remember, this phone got pen support, right? And, you know, everything in between. So the gaming experience is very good on this phone. I like it. It has been very good. But the gaming experience is really good, especially with the dual display. Let me show you guys some pen stuff with this device. All right, guys, so I got the Bamboo ink pen, and it's compatible with the LG V60. And this is so nice because it brings in some added functionality that I really do like. So if you press the top button, which I have it programmed, when I press the top button, it brings up the LG V60 software, which is absolutely amazing. So this say if I want to do Mimbo, now I have a blank canvas here, but you got software with it, right? So I can add stuff. I can change the color paper, which I could do here. Boom. So I can change the color paper. I can insert photos and stuff like that. So if I want to insert a picture, let's see if I want to insert a picture, boom, there it goes, right? And it works absolutely amazing. So I just inserted a picture here, and I can make my modifications and everything in between with the picture. I can write. The latency is really good on here, not a lot of latency. And also you can type here if I wanted to. So if I wanted to type, if I wanted to do all kinds of stuff, I can do it. I can edit my photo, right? I can draw inside the photo, right? And I got it on calligraphy. So right now it's changing stuff like that, which is great, right? So you could do so much, and I could just erase it. Man, and it works flawless. So this is some added functionality with the LG V60, and you can do it however you want to. You can kind of put your picture inside here and you could draw it. And not only that, now since you got the dual display, I can prop it up like this, right? And let's see here, I can prop it up like this. I could be watching my YouTube video. All right, so let me go and put a YouTube video on real quick. Let me go and get to Easy Computer Solutions. I love this stuff. I can fire up some more stuff here. I can go ahead and make a blank canvas. Let's see here. All right, cool. So as I'm watching my YouTube video, I could be writing me some notes, right? Write my notes. And this is what I'm talking about with the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, right? The Galaxy Note devices. It needs to bring in some functionality. Look, don't get me wrong. It has the S Pen software. And yes, you can do the same thing, but what the dual display brings in so much more. This is what I'm talking about. So without the dual display, I can do the same thing that I could do on my Galaxy Note on an LG V60. This is what I'm talking about. So I'm loving this. I love the dual case. It works out great. You can multitask very well here and go from there. I love it. And the good thing about it, I can turn it back and I'm good here. And yes, it turns off the display. So you don't have to worry about it. Again, yes, it's big. Yes, it's bulky. You know, a lot of people might say, well, you know what? It's heavy, easy. It's big, it's bulky. At the end of the day, even though it's big and bulky, it brings in some functionality. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. I just wanted to make this video, and I just wanted to talk about how impressed I am with the dual display with the LG V60 because it's bringing in some functionality. I mean, I just finished, I'm typing up a whole voiceover and it's going smooth and fluid. Not only that, but gaming on it. I've learned the virtual buttons so I can game pretty well on it. Also with the pin support, that also bringing some good functionality on it. God, the LG V60 bringing in so much. Good cameras, quad DAC with headphones, dual display, pin support, a beautiful display, fast processing speed. So it brings in a whole lot. And I am so glad that LG is going the right path. Now, as far as the LG Velvet, that's going to be another story. But right now, LG is knocking out the park with the dual display on the LG V60. This is Eric from AskEazyComputerSolutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the LG V60 in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace. I'm loving this. That's what I'm talking about. Keep on, LG, knocking it out the park. Yeah.